What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over Gala Games. Jerome Powell just finished speaking. We'll take a quick look at Bitcoin. I think this is the only video I'm getting out today. So we're sitting at 0.031. We're down 2.3 on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 2 times 17 million. 24 volume 98.42 million. So we'll hop into Gala. Just a quick look at Bitcoin. Darth Maul candle, which is typical. When JP speaks, as you can see, we spiked up, we spiked down. See it all the time. But not too much has changed for Gala. We came down to our wave 4 target, the bottom of the channel. We do have a little bit of a bullish divergence on the RSI as well as the money flow. As you can see, a little bit of uptick on the money flow and the RSI while we create an equal low. If we do push up in that wave 5 and we come up and break this high, then higher probability that this is the low and we're putting in an ending diagonal wave 1 shown here in yellow. We'd pull back into wave 2. However, if we just continue to break down, then you can come down in that wave 5, and that would take you down to about 0.025 for the price of Gala Games. So it really depends if we see this bounce. If we come all the way up and we break this high, that will confirm that this is the bottom. But if we simply get rejected here, we see continuation down, then look for a bottom around 0.025. We bottom out, and then we start to shoot up towards our target of 25 cents. Daily chart. We got rejected by the 20 EMA. So of course it is possible we come down to create a double bottom before potentially breaking out. But as I mentioned, we are in our pullback zone. So sooner or later we are looking for that push up in a wave 3 to 25 cents, whether it starts now or starts at 0.025. Still a beautiful opportunity to get in for long-term hodl positions in my opinion. But I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada. All right, gang, so just watch Bitcoin. Let's see if we fill the wick or we end up breaking down. I have a little bit more bias that we're going to see continuation to the upside. This is an ABC correction. But if we do break down, then look for us to come down to the bottom of this channel and look for an ending diagonal wave 1, wave 2. You would come down ABC in a 3, 4, 5. Basically, could come down to about 25.2K before seeing continuation up. I think that's a little bit less probable, but it's pretty close. Could go either way in my opinion. But if we see that wave 3 to the upside, let me quickly give a measurement for that for Bitcoin. See where we're going. I'm not going to be making a Bitcoin video today, so yeah, we'll take you up to about 29.5K. Alright gang, that's pretty much it for this little update for Gala Games. We are currently in 3 trades. You can get free access to my signals if you sign up to either Bitget or Bybit. Grab those bonuses. Check out my full length tutorials. Make your first deposit. Email me. Your sign up email takes 2 minutes. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns. Talking all things crypto, and a 30-day free trial to my signals analysis, crypto news, member profits, hodl, all plays. Otherwise, it's only $10 a month. You can sign up to the Patreon link. Ooh, I'm looking sharp today. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.